G'day guys, Greg here. Now listen, here's the scenario. You've woken up New Year's Day and all you got is $5 left in your wallet and you're going, oh mate, I really feel like something greasy. Well, lucky for us, KFC exists because they've got a $4.95 fill-up box you're not going to want to miss out on. And I certainly don't want to miss out on it either, so I'm going to go and whip inside, grab one, suss it out and see what we get inside it. Let's go! Alright, here we go, the $4.95 slider fill-up box. Oh, perfect for your New Year's hangover. It's got a bit of weight about it. Got the scales. Let's see how much it does weigh. 469. 68 grams. Crikey, that's a lot. At this point in time, I actually don't even care what's inside, but we'll take a look, see what we get. Yes. I'm really hoping there's a piece of chicken in there because I really feel like one. Oh, yes! There's a piece of chicken. I think the leg's broken. Ah, rats. We also get some chips. Yum. We get a mashed potato and gravy. You ripper! And what's inside here? Oh, look, folks. It's one of their sliders. You little champion! Check out that feed. All for under $5. Yummo! Better start off with the chip, eh? See how salty they are. Seasoned to perfection. And what about this slider? I'm guessing top shelf. You know what? Nothing better than a good mashed potato and gravy to fix those hangover blues. Let's see if it does. Reconstituted heaven. And of course, we have a piece of original recipe. Yes! Ooh, I love original recipe. Oh, not all the skin at once. Need to conserve that. Oh. But I wonder what score I'll give it out of 10. Well, value-wise, you're getting all this taco for under $5, mate! Flavour-wise, well, I mean, those chips today were perfect. They were actually crunchy for a change and well seasoned. That's pretty rare. The slider was delicious. It's got like some sauce under there, and oh, the lettuce even was nice, and oh, the piece of chicken was good too. Oh yeah, and the mashed potato and gravy, so smooth and creamy, and oh, so tasty. And then the piece of chicken, well, I got a broken leg, but hey, at least I got a piece. I would have preferred maybe something a bit bigger with a bit more meat on it, and maybe a bit more skin. But still, how can you complain when it's only $5? So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the $4.95 slider fill-up box, mate, this is definitely getting up. 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. What a way to start the year, 10 out of 10. Hey! Or finish the year. Finish the year, start the year, same thing. $4.95, mate. I think what you're gonna want to do is buy 2 of them, because one just won't be enough. But there you go. What a great deal. KFC's got an offer at the moment, so you know the drill. You better go and whip inside, grab one, because I don't know how much longer the deal's going to go for. So hurry up and go. And I tell you what, have a really happy new year, and, well, I hope it's the best year that you've ever had. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next year. Yeah!
Ooh, yeah.